Hey everyone, got a great song here, Aquarela do Brasil, and it's commonly known as the song Brazil. And this song was really written a long time ago, 1939. And I don't think I've ever played this song, and that was my very first time through the thing. I messed up a few times, so there's a few little edits. And this is kind of a hard chart to find. I looked through my database and I only found one pretty old chart there with not very accurate chords or anything. But I did find another one in this book, which is one of the great share music books. I paid $40 for it back in the day. Well worth having, actually. And I will reprint this one chart here on 2 pages. There's a few other little optional things you can do at letter, where's that? Letter something, letter B. Yeah, so maybe. And another place. That's just a little optional thing they give down there. There's probably a lot of great recordings of this song. It's a samba, so it's a high-energy piece. Now, I'm no expert and not an authority at all about playing this type of music. And there's so many different kinds of Latin rhythms that, you know, to a lot of people, it sound a lot the same. But there's little subtle differences. And, you know, if you're interested in this kind of music, you know, go seek out the truth. One thing you probably want to do, especially with a fast tune like this, is just keep the bass really simple, going 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the rhythm comes more from your right hand. Ba 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 ba. Just vary the rhythm. You know, if you've played bossa nova or any other kind of Latin music before, a lot of the same rhythms will apply here. It's just a little bit faster. Higher energy level. There you go. Chart's down in the description. Just click on the link. It's free. And I'll be back with some more of these type of tunes.